Hi guys, welcome to my online learning video, and in today's video we will be learning how to construct an ellipse using concentric circles method. Now without any further ado, let's get into it. Now let's read the question. It says, given a major axis AB and a minor axis CD, required, construct an ellipse using the concentric circles method. Now I'll be using a pen. I'll actually be using two pens, a red pen for all construction lines. So when you see red lines, they are construction lines, and when you see blue lines, they are visible outline. Okay, so what concentric circles means is that circles drawn from the same center with different radiuses. So this is what you have to do first. Carefully place your compass point on center O. Extend your pen end of the compass to D or C, which should be of the same size, and draw a circle. Alright. Do the same for the major axis. So extend your compass point or your pen point to A or B, which should be the same, and draw a circle. Alright, now I'll just extend this a little bit further using a black pen lightly. I'll extend the vertical center line a little bit further just to get the intersection. Now what we need to do is use our method of division of circles and divide each of the circles into 12 equal parts. Very simple. So to divide the smaller circle, take the radius of the smaller circle. On each of the ends of the center line, on the intersection of the center lines, draw arcs there, and on that side do the same from this intersection of the center line on both sides, and from here and here, there and there. Do the same for the bigger circle, the major axis. Measure the radius, put the compass point on that intersection, draw an arc, draw another arc, and from here draw an arc, draw another arc, from here draw an arc. Construct another arc here, there, and that. Okay, very simple. That was the first step, to draw circles with the radius of the minor axis and the radius of the major axis. Right, so now that you've divided both the circles into 12 equal parts, let's go further. So what you need to do now is you'll be drawing straight lines from each of the points. So what you'll do, you'll draw lines horizontal or outwards from the smaller circle, like so, and you'll draw lines inwards from the bigger circle. Alright, like so. We'll ensure that everything is straight. Now from the outer circle, as I've said, we'll draw lines inward. Align your set squares vertically straight, get to each of the points, and draw a line inwards. There you go, and there. So now you've got all the points. You already had the ends of the major axis there, A and B. You already had the ends of the minor axis, C and D. All you needed to do was to plot few more points. So we've plotted 8 more points here, and that's basically it. So all you need to do now is just join these points and form the ellipse. there you have it. That's an ellipse constructed using concentric circles method. Now I've used the pen. As much as possible, try to have your curve smooth. If you cannot have it smooth with your free hand, you can use a French curve. Keeping in mind, speed, accuracy and neatness are very important. I'm always particular about neatness, so ensure your work is neat. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them in the next video. Till then, happy learning. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.